This is the worst makeup I've ever done. I'm looking so bad right now. Look like these guys are supposed to go on top like this. What do you think? Look.
I mean, it's not that bad, but most basic alien, like...
I know, I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Literally, literally the worst costume, the worst makeup I've ever done. Just that's because I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do makeup with. I don't have good makeup anymore.
Oh God. I think you also lost your skill.
Well, I'm impatient.
It's so bad.
Okay, well, could you transfer me a couple bucks?
No. Not right now, honey, because my whole computer's crashed. So, hey everybody, I just wanted to preserve for posterity, the worst Halloween makeup I've ever done. Oh wow, teeth look kind of yellow. But hey, maybe you can do a better job than I can. Warning, just get good supplies, good brushes, and don't rush it. You might be wondering how to achieve this kind of skill. All I can say is I learned this level of makeup at Cirque du Soleil, where I was a chief clown. No, I don't have anything to say about Cirque du Soleil, but anyway. So yeah, I was trying for a Halloween look. You know, I don't know. The best idea I had here was gluing these sunglass lenses to my face. Assuming my eyesight is able to withstand that, because it does make the glue sort of get in your eyes. Let's try a different wig. I don't think this is an improvement. So yeah, you know, what can I say? This is a cautionary tale. The good part is this terrible makeup is not happening on Halloween Day. Oh, you know, it would be fun. You can always have fun. This makeup is so old and I'm just too lazy to go get some actual good makeup.
Oh God. I think you also lost your skill.